1, 2, 3.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Boss be my boss in a can't see you keep up. Boss in the market, spark in a big M badge, uptown killer.
YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, guys. So right now, but first and foremost, if y'all didn't see the last video I dropped on the race night, make sure y'all go and check it out. And first, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into the video, man. So the reason why I got this, I got the 535 jacked up on the jack and jack stand, as y'all could see right here. And I got my towel underneath, and I got my tools right there. So right now I'm just double checking everything, make sure everything is still in place, nothing is loosened. And I also went ahead and checked the spark plugs and the coil pack already. Make sure I refill the coolant, and soon I'm gonna have to do an oil change on it. But yeah, man. And for those of y'all that have an 535 F10, I'm also selling the 3-inch intakes. It goes right there. Let me show y'all. So it's right there, and that's a full 3-inch intake. And also I routed it right through here. Y'all could see it right there. So it's from right here around to the grill right there. So it's a very easy install. So if y'all need a 3-inch intake, hit me up on IG and let me know. But yeah, man, let me know if you guys like the build. Let me show y'all a little something. I got the oil catch can right here, and I also delete this this valve right here. So I just put it like right here. I just stuck it right there, but it's working fine without that. And also you could see I route the catch can right here with a breather right there, and also I put a breather on the crankcase right there. If y'all didn't know, y'all could do it. So there you go, and I have no problem, zero. So yeah, man, give y'all a good look at it. So now I'm about to go under there, check everything, and then I'm gonna pick up back the camera. So right now, guys, I'm under the car right now, and some of y'all been asking if I'm running intercooler. So here's my intercooler right here. I have to build my own bracket. So it's a 2-step intercooler, and it's behind the radiator right here. So there's the radiator, and this is the intercooler. It's behind the radiator and between the fan right there, if y'all could see it. And also, as I'm running the PWG turbo, it's the stock turbo, still running the stock one. And here's my charge pipe right there. So what I want to do next is probably change the turbo inlet that goes all the way over here. So I'm gonna change it someday. And also, I'm still on the stock downpipe, if y'all was wondering. Still a stock downpipe without the full exhaust. So I just put down back the car, pack up back the tools and all of that, put it back in the trunk. And so far so good. Everything is checked out. Everything looks okay. Nothing out of the ordinary. So if y'all like the video on this, just like a little update on the 535, and also make sure y'all go check out the video of the bucket seats, and also it's on the OEM seat rail. So make sure y'all go check out the last video, man. I know y'all wasn't gonna expect this color combo, and also I got them cheap, so I couldn't pass them up. So make sure y'all go check out that video, man. And that's gonna be the end of the video for today. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.